Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel or my Shady World. In this video, I will show you how we can create a histogram in Tableau. This histogram is the popular amongst the analysts. There are a couple of reasons behind it. So number one is histogram is used for to understand the distribution of the data, the frequency of the data, and number two, this is used for the univariate analysis of any numeric data type based data. So let's say something which are, let's say here discount, profit, quantity, sales. So for such fields, you can perform this histogram and understand the overall distribution. Something which are figured, which are numeric, which are quantitative in nature. So for that, histogram is used. So let's create here. As you can see, I have already pulled this sample superstore data. And from there, I have taken this ordered sheet. And within this, these are the columns here. So as I've said this, histogram can be created on the measured field, which look something similar to, let's say for the quantity, if I want to create, then this is what the histogram is. So once you click on this quantity, you will see this is in the aggregated form. Let me show you what is there in the quantity. What are the numbers? What are the unique values amongst the quantity? So let's go to the dimension, change this to the dimension. You will see the quantity are ranging from 0 to 14. So someone have asked for 14 orders, someone have placed that 12, 10, 8, 9, so on and so forth. So the thing is, the quantities which are being ordered here in this sample superstore are ranging between 0 to 14. So these are the unique one. Why I'm showing this, reason behind is the quantities bean size will be between these only. So how many of those customer have ordered 14 of those, 12 of those, 4 of the quantity? So we are kind of creating such distribution of data. So let's again move this to the measured and make it sum. That's what we have it earlier. And from this, now I'm simply from the show me, I'll click on this histogram. Once you create, it will create automatically this quantity bean. And this is in the count. So as I've said this, now you can see the x-axis, which is showing the bean, is ranging between 0 to 15, which is 0 to 14 actually. So don't bother about like why it is showing 15, but the range is just because we want something which are default created. So that is between 0 to 15. So this is how it's just created simply with just count quantity and the quantity in the beans. Now you must be wondering how this bean has been created and what sort of it. So let's go to this bean quantity, which is being created automatically by Tableau. Click over here and you will see the edit. Go to the edit, and now in the suggested bean, just click on suggested. You will see this 1.77 is actually the by default. So when you click, you can see from 0 to 1.77, which is quite near to 2. So anyone or those customers who have actually ordered between 0 to 2 in nature, I would say, like let's say someone have ordered chocolates and they are in two of those quantity, so or one in quantity, let's say. So how many of them, they are something which are 899. So from among all of these sample superstores, these are the numbers which are there, the total count, that let's say it's been ranging between 0 to 2. Similarly from 2 to 3, they have been 4811. So you can have a clear picture that the max of those distribution is among 2 to 4. So anyone who have ordered something, they might be in two digit or some, not two digit, it's a point is anything have ordered something in quantity 2 or 3, let's say, or something close to 4. So I won't say the quantity will be in some halves, like anything in the fraction or in the decimal. It's always going to be in discrete in nature. And I always want that the quantity, the bean size has to be in a mainly in the one single digit, a whole number. So I will change it to 2, and let's say anything between that. So what is, so there is no change at all. It's we were understanding in quite same similarly, but still I don't want anything in some decimal. So that's how you can choose and select your respective as we have created 2 in numbers, so that's why it's now changing it from 14 to something in 16 in nature. That's the size of that is ranging, because that is the cup, two of the multiples, as the bean size says. So you can create such a histogram which gives you a clear idea of on what particular distribution, or at what particular quantity you are having a spike. So this is how we can create a histogram. You can also leverage the side of those bars, and just make a little bit of change here and enhance your overall um, graph here. You can also highlight this while changing to the format, and change the font size, make it bold, the style as well to medium, and similarly to this of the quantity as well. um, yes, you will see some difference in the look as well. So yeah, this is now look good. I want to avoid this grid as at the back, so I'll just go with the format, and now I want to avoid these grid lines from the sheet. So this is how you can have your histogram, and you can create this for all these measured fields. I hope you like this video. If you really liked it, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And for more such video, please hit on the bell icon. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.